Alright, 10 o'clock pop could happen right now. So I'm recording this. I'm in the trade at 3140. And let's see what happens. Alright, guys. Looking to see if this thing can pop in about 4 minutes here. See if it holds the 3140. So, looks promising.
Daryl, are you in on that, or are you just waiting to see if it holds?
I'm in right now with a hold at 3140 stop, you know.
Okay, I just walked in, so that's why I wanted to know.
Hey, Daryl.
What you thinking?
Sat there wasting my time, man. I ran that Algene down $10 and I made 20 cents because of the spreads and the decay.
Wow.
It's like really crazy. I got in like 450 and it just like decayed. I got out like at 440, $10 down, and like it was 20 cents.
Yeah, this Amazon's moving, so I'm up $2 already. $2, $3. It's coming.
Kind of this thing surprised me. I really thought that there'd be some type of a run up going into earnings. It's like, when's that gonna happen?
Who knows? We got $4 there. It's just a fickle market because of the election. Who knows? You know, and the stimulus stuff. There's a lot going on. Not a normal.
It's like weird. There's like, I think there's 7 down days on the daily on it.
All right, so that's $4. If it gets past this 50, this could be good.
Were you targeting this?
Just trying to control the 50% of the profit, but I'd like it to get it in the 60. 3160 would be good. That'd be 50% of this downward move today. It's in a symmetrical, wasn't a symmetrical, popped off the 35 into the 50. Just hoping to get some volume with these guys coming back from lunch, because it usually does a nice little pop about 1 o'clock Eastern, you know?
Definitely got a pop on the SPY, the Qs, the mini ES, the vol speed's going up for you, the ad decline's going up for you, VIX is going down. I think you're good.
Yeah, it looks like a good position in. So, see what happens here.
You're right about Tesla. After a split, it's like a dead horse.
Yeah, just the volume has dried up and not our favorite.
Nobody cares about Tesla anymore.
They got to do something extraordinary now to keep those numbers and what they're doing. You never know, man. He could merge his space company with it and it would just go completely cuckoo. So we got a couple minutes here. They don't always happen right Eastern, so it doesn't have to be right on the money, but it shows upward momentum. Let's see if this can blast up into the 60 here.
You saw the GM's bringing back the Hummer for an electric pickup truck.
I think it's a good idea.
The stock's been really moving.
Did you see it? It's amazing. Did you see the video? Oh my god.
So we got profit. We got profit here, guys. It's making money.
Hey Daryl, did you get in this long?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I got some of that off the 5 minute.
That's awesome. Just kind of controlling the 50% of the profit. Seeing if I can get a little more past the 150, you know?
Yep.
And then see if this can,
It breaks right here. It's gonna.
yeah, I mean, it's either going to pivot off the top of this top candle down or it's going to explode up, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So we got some profit locked in. Just like to get a little more.
For sure.
But it was a nice explosion. Maybe asking too much for it to go to 60. It's not always right at 11 or 10, you know?
Yeah, I mean, it ran down a bunch and made its bottom. And it hit nice support.
Yeah, you look at the 78, it did reverse upward, and on the 39, it's holding the double bar on the 39. You know, it's got a little bit of a morning star off the 39.
Just no volume.
Just no volume and no cues. Like everything just stalled. Man, yesterday was so good, man. I can't tell you how this was an insane trade. At about 10 15 it took right off, you know?
Right.
Just boom. I very seldom miss these. Got that one the day before. And it gives you a little, you just don't know how far it's going to go, you know?
Yeah, if it holds the moving averages and breaks here, it looks good.
I mean, it's like my computer's frozen. There we go. It's like even. It's like it's many shares and it's like within $30. 30 volume up and down. It's right. It's like 100 per 50-50 right here. You know.
Yep, I agree.
It's like it's either gonna, if it breaks down to the 46, I'm out. But if it stays, I'll stay in.
Are you in calls, Daryl?
Yeah, but I got profit locked in, but I don't want it to break through the 46. I want it to spring load up, you know?
I gotcha.
Just, it needs to break through the 50 here, and then we're good. That little $1.50 up was nice. A little king.
No doubt.
Made me feel a little better.
Yep.
And the good feeling is almost back. It's had a little issue right here. This was a nice little trade off the bottom here, the bone I got. But this here is trying to get this 1 o'clock pop, you know? Got a
Yep.
little bit involved, got a little bit in there, but I just like this to continue upward. If it breaks the 46 down, I'm down. I'm out. 146 down.
Makes sense.
There we go. Sorry about the dogs.
Is there a monster in your room with you, Daryl?
Yeah, yeah, he's really outside, about 4 doors down.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Okay, so we got $6, $7 profit. So there's the reason why you show up at 1 o'clock pop. Okay,
Yep, exactly.
this is the reason why we trade. So let's see if this goes into the 60. Got the Q's popping. Just don't lose 50% of your trade. That's all you gotta, wherever your entry is, wherever you got in, is your cup of tea, you know?
No doubt.
Not where I get out, where you get out. Oh, this is sweet. So if I said, hey, guys show up every day at a certain time, I'll give you $1,000. My dog shows up every time I get up and give him a biscuit. He knows.
Yeah, exactly.
He just goes right over to his bowl. So really, this is a lot of money. Okay?
Yeah, I totally agree with you.
You know what I mean? If you had one contract, you just got $1,000. If you had 10 contracts, you made 10 grand. It's all relative. If you got 3, you just made, whatever. You made 2 grand anyways, you know?
Yep, no doubt.
So take some profit. Be smart, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take some profit. If it slides down to the 53, 54, get out. Right? Pretty simple mathematics, right?
Yeah, exactly.
If it stays on the 54, let it go blow through the 60. 60 is the fib 50 on this whole move. If you just count the squares. So if you just divide this whole move 1, 2, 3, 4, right there, about 3,159.60 is about 50% of this move back up. So I'm expecting something about right there, you know?
Makes sense.
And if it goes, now if it breaks to 50%, then it goes back to the top. If not, it comes all the way back to the bottom. There, that's money. Is that worth you guys' time, 7 minutes?
Seriously.
So
For sure.
think about this. You're in this trade. And think about that trade. You're in that trade yesterday. Think about that 10 o'clock minute here. You're in that trade. These are thousands of dollars. At what time? I mean, I don't come up with this. It just does it. You know? Isn't that wild?
Yeah, that's
So-
why I always make sure
So why
come in
would
at 10.
why would I not show up at this time every day? Or
Exactly.
at least have my iPad or something around, right?
Yep.
That works. That's just another reason, gives you another confidence, another reason why you would maybe trade that. I mean, I'm telling myself, guys, I'm talking to myself. Like, it's work for me to, like, have an alarm, like, 9:45, right?
Yep, exactly.
And you guys would be wherever you're at, Eastern, you know, just, you know, East Coast 1, you know?
Yeah,
So those are
exactly.
58, 59. That's pretty damn good money. Can't get excited about this, then I don't know what to say.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm down to one contract. It doesn't matter. It's all relative. I like to get the fat, you know?
Yeah, that 61 is really powerful resistance, it looks like.
Yeah, I mean, if we just did kind of like a scope right here and just did a little eyeball, see if my math is off, but it's right there.
No, you were totally spot on with that.
you
I did
know,
a little fib, and you were totally spot on.
So, give or take 50 cents, but that's where it's probably going to hang up because that's usually what happens. The odds are for it to hang up there. If not, then you just use that 54 as your stop and you just let it go.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
54 is the one where you're like, I'm not going to mess with it to see if you can get a little more cheddar out of your trade.
Yeah, with the last couple days being a little bit more choppy, I've just noticed I've been chopped out of some stuff that like normally I'd be able to grab really easily. Like it'll just come back like $2 or $3. You're like, oh shoot, I guess I was wrong, and then
Yep. Well,
it'll go back.
let's just manage this real quick. So
Yeah, no
this
problem.
is 61 now. I would take half if I haven't already. All right, guys. There's 62. You in this, Randy? You guys all just leave me?
I'm here, Daryl.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Was this amazing?
Yes.
And how does this remind you of last Friday when you went to dinner and made $1,000?
I know. It's beautiful.
So, does that make sense? Remember we had this talk a couple days ago?
Oh yeah.
What's the point, right? Good stuff, though. I mean, you know what I mean.
Killer trade.
Oh yeah. I mean, there's nothing. And the spread was tight. Like no one was in them. We were the first ones in these. No one was in these trades.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got in, and then they started piling in after us. So
Exactly.
that's what's sweet about this. This may go farther, guys. That's great. I'm closing the trade out, but that's good enough for me. That's good cheddar. I'm closing it out. If you guys want to keep it, that's fine. Maybe you put your stop at 58, but I'm taking my profit. So that's me. All right, so that was a whole 15 minutes of love. And it's worth the time, price of admission. If you want to manage it up through the 58, up through how long it goes, go for it,
Hello, guys.
And Amazon, if it breaks that 84, I'm taking puts, okay? 184, 3184, okay? But that's yesterday's close. I'm gonna try 4.5 minutes without trading. Let's see what happens. I did 3.76 yesterday, so I'm getting better. So I'm gonna load some puts in this ALGN. It's popping right now, so let's see if it breaks the 15 down. I'm just gonna leave that one alone. So we got Amazon. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's popping too, right? I'm gonna scalp Amazon up with some calls. Okay.
Watch Zoom here, guys. And NVIDIA just launched.
So let's see how you guys are. You're just gonna jump to something I'm not in. See how this goes, Tony?
Dog eat dog.
Yeah. The video's running though.
Good call, Eric.
Thanks, Tony.
Roku's blowing up. Zoom's launching or trying to. Let's see if it can hold it.
Guess Amazon's not good enough, you guys. I got this on recording, so we'll see who wins. Qs are going straight up though. Man, that ALGN is just gone. Huh? It's at 440.
I'm scalping this Tesla down.
Ticks at what, 500 plus?
Man, the market is crawling here.
Yeah, it's low volume. Qs look super strong though.
Mm-hmm. You may get this pop on this Amazon.
Yeah, it should. Let's see if it can hold this 90. If it does, I'm staying in. If not, we're getting out.
Mm-hmm.
3190. But it looks like it's right at that sweet spot of the 50 on the candle. You know.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm trying to see if we can get it into the 32 here. That'd be sweet. You know.
Yep.
I know you love Amazon. I was just pulling your leg. Good.
You trying to get her jealous?
I'm just trying to get you over in the one that's going to make you stupid money.
Oh, I am, but I'm taking puts. I'm gonna wait and let it run, see where it's gonna go. I'll let you make the money on this one. I want it down.
Well, what if it goes to 3220?
I will applaud you for making stupid money. It did make it almost a 320. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's holding the close, but you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, super low volume. Yeah, I'm gonna close this Amazon out. needs to break the 84 though for me for puts. Because it's like right above within $5 of the close. Like it could go either way off that line there, you know? Off the MA.
Q's are moving higher, but
Yeah, I want to take another position in calls, but it's just not showing its face up,
it's,
you know?
yeah, it's just
Like to take calls right here and put my stop at the 89, but there's no
like,
volume.
it's just- yeah.
Just flashed across my screen, big text, subpoena approved. I'm like, whoa, okay. You know?
They needed to do that a long time ago.
Like, okay. This is really 50-50 this trade. It's not showing a hammer. It's holding the upward move, but it's holding yesterday's close, but not by much. But it starts getting below this 84, yeah. That's when I'm gonna start doing the puts.
Mm-hmm.
So breaks 84 we're in, okay?
Yes, sir. I
And
am.
I am in with you. The Q's are just about red coming down, see?
Mm-hmm.
I need it for that thing to flush down.
Nice trade. Don't let it take half back, right?
That's that's how we trade.
We got Q's to continue dumping here. You got a squeeze going off, going down on the 39 too. Looks good.
We get this Q's to break through all those MAs, and this thing blows all the way through the 1 to the 3. We get to the 7-5, you know, 3175 levels. Right neutral. We got the Q's right on the MAs. Like it needs to blow through here. We need to have this thing just really dump. You know?
I'm ripping this Tesla.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Good job. It's like we're going down, gentlemen. Nice. There we go. That's a nice trade there, guys.
Breaks this 80, we're good.
Yeah, I just need the Q's to break through this
It's
284.
it's gotta break the 80
Mm-hmm.
because it's touched it twice.
Tick needs to keep dropping too for us.
Yeah, that would be nice.
It's a green trade though.
Oh yeah, I mean we're green. It's just like to have green 10, not green 4. You know.
Here we go, breaking 3180. Where's it going? Ticks dropping. Thank you.
I'm just waiting for this ALGN to go down. I think it's freaking skyrocketed. Right, I'm gonna sell some here. Just because it's low volume, and I just want to take some profit, you know?
10-4.
Easy to sell when it's dropping. Doesn't mean you can't keep half. Is that, you know what I mean? I make $4 or $5, $6 on an option. I'm looking pretty damn good, you know? Just wish these Qs would participate a little better than they are, you know? There we go. A little more red.
Looking really good here.
Yeah, I got 2 left here. All right, I'm just gonna close mine out, but it's super green for me, you know?
Qs are just jammed up, Daryl. That's all it is.
Yeah, just, you know,
They're just jammed.
I want to be green
They're-
today, and I'm green.
They're just wedged.
I want to just close this puppy out.
Nice trade. Q's going the other way now. Out of that. We'll take it back down again soon.
Yeah, it's what the thing is. It's going right into the close of yesterday, and I don't want to mess with that number. You know,
No.
84 is the close, and it's getting too close to that to reverse. So I just didn't want to give up my profit. Then you see the Qs turn to pop here.
Yep. That's why I was out of it. Nice hammer.
And the Nvidia's playing with the 200 moving average
Yeah,
on the 10.
I was just gonna say Nvidia calls would be nice.
It's just right on that 545 maybe. 200 right there.
Breaks this 45, it's golden. You know, that's just the top part of the 50, and the top here is 550. It's got volume. You know,
Does it have volume? Yep.
yeah. I just don't like the chop today, guys.
Nope.
Made 2 trades. I'm up $4.60 on 2 trades. That's losing $3 on the first trade, so it's not bad, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to keep it green today. Like I said, don't get over aggressive. This is not the market to do it in. I just see the Qs coming right back down again. I'm like,
Yeah. That's what I'm
not
thinking.
taking that long at all, you know?
Thinking our Amazon's just gonna drop here.
Yeah, Amazon's just ripping right back down.
At Amazon again.
Good, nice.
I missed the last one.
Just don't expect these massive runs, and if you get the 50%, that's great. And just take your profit. Everybody, not just who's talking, okay? If you get a long $20 run, great. If you don't, Be satisfied with $4 or $5.
The wild card too is if they announce stimulus, this whole market just changes radically quickly.
Yeah, it's just that thing's been going on for 3 months.
I know.
It's
They're
just
saying by
like-
Friday.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, they said Thursday, they said Tuesday, they said last Friday, they said, who's they? You know?
Well, I know Trump and them want to do it. I think Pelosi's just dragging.
Look at
Can't
Zoom.
start.
What's wrong with Zoom?
I was just chasing it. I just missed it. Chased it, and it's gonna make you pay full price.
The spread's 120. It's not terrible.
Mm.
Or is it 160?
As long as you get feel it opens up on you a little bit, but then I missed it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some. See if I don't have to chase this thing all the way up to the frickin' top of the matrix.
Yeah, that thing's hauling tail.
Yeah. I mean, we got some profit in here.
He's headed at 530.
Think 530?
Yeah,
Did you get it?
530, 530, 531.
We got 527, 520. Oh man, 530 would be awesome. I just don't know if I'm good at trading this yet. Only had about 12 trades with it. Just enough to get my beak wet, you know?
Yeah, my record on Zoom's not that great.
That's why you're in Amazon puts.
You know it.
Zoom giveth and Amazon taketh away.
That's the opposite way from me, buddy.
We'd give this like 60 more cents. If it doesn't cooperate, I'm just popping out of this. You know? I'm gonna go with this Amazon. Randy, you're doing quite well with this.
He's at Amazon with me. He's happy. There we go, guys. Nice. This is why I love Amazon.
Oh, see how he is now? Oh my god.
This got in later, big guy.
I know, but you're like, I'm over here talking about Amazon. You guys are like, and then you jump over. Now you're in Amazon because we're in Zoom. See how he is?
Yep.
See how he is there, Tony?
You gotta watch him, man. He's shady.
All right, I'm gonna get an Amazon, and then you guys are gonna go jump into something else. See if this thing can get down. You think it gets down to the 62, 55, 58?
I'm thinking 3160 easily today.
Because look,
But
here's
gotta
the
break
6.
that.
Yeah, here's the
It's not
62. We took it off the star yesterday up. You know.
Yep, I'm targeting that. It's got to break through this stuff. I just scalped it and got out of it. I'm gonna get back in. We had that possible stimulus call yesterday, and this thing ran up $20 though, like in a second.
I just got to make more money in Zoom than you do in Amazon. So
You got your 530 there, buddy. That's what Tony said. You got it. Tony, I hope you're still in it, buddy.
Yep, run it up.
Good man.
someone's got to.
Yeah. I don't have a feel for that thing yet.
We made $17 on it 4 days ago.
Yep, it's true.
It was a good feel.
Yep.
Tesla's gonna ride today. Just playing the pullbacks.
It's got a long ways to go for it to get money from me. I'd have to drop $11. Let's see here. I'm gonna close this Zoom out, but it was a good trade. Thanks, Tony. It's holding the top of the 10-minute candle though, upward, you know. So it's holding the high of the 526.62, but you could probably, I don't know. I like just taking the profit. Nice call out though. What are we trading?
Tesla's gonna run into the high of yesterday shortly.
I'm just scalping this Amazon.
I just bought some puts in this ALGN.
SPY's trying to run up here a little bit. We're getting a little bit of a pop and keeping the tick too.
I'm just gonna give this $2. If it doesn't last, I'm out. You know? I mean, you never trade something before. You just gotta be super cautious.
Yeah.
You don't know how the fills are gonna be.
How's the spread on it? Or did you buy shares?
I did the spread. Spread's like $3.60, but it took my mid like nothing.
Got mine.
So it's $3. Here we go. Come on down.
Get the puts.
Yeah, to the puts. Yeah, your Tesla's looking good. I'm more nervous trading this thing than I am Amazon. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, I'm in the green. Took that much just to get through the spread, you know?
Nice. I'm good.
I'm the papa.
For you.
I want you in it. I don't need a cheering
Well,
section.
I don't want to manage Amazon with this one.
I don't know, Dan texted me telling me I made $20 in this. I'll be like, damn, I missed it, you know?
It was a good call out by Dan.
Yeah, well, that's
I was just waiting for it to do its little pop, you know?
great play.
And let it go, get it out of its way, you know?
Qs are trying to drop here. See if they can break through. Market definitely doesn't look strong up.
You would think that Amazon wants that 3160 again.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, buddy. Here we go. Qs, guys, dumping. Here we go.
It's breaking the pre-market. That pre-market candle, you know? I'm just gonna set my stop for $2 on this and go over here to this Amazon.
Yeah. Zoom's headed at 518, looks like.
Yeah, it's got a big fat doji sitting there in the 39. It's just it's holding the close though. $8 up, you know. I took some puts here in Amazon. Oh my god.
Hope you got that right.
I got it right.
There you go.
Here we go, guys.
This looks like yesterday. What I did yesterday.
Looking nice. We knew the Qs would break. Here they go.
Alright, ALGN, come on down, buddy. Let's get these both rocking. Here we go. It's a big ass freaking candle on the Qs. Big red candle. Broke downward. I don't want this to be a blowout candle though, so let this keep going. It's holding at 50.
Yeah, we're going down. It's gonna be a little slower. I'm moving to the 39. I'm trading off the 39 now. Somebody taught me to do that.
It keeps you, the guide, you know, that in a 78, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Keeps you out of the chop.
Yep.
Know what I mean?
Yep. Qs are gonna keep on dropping here. Look at Tesla. Wow. Here we go, Amazon.
I'm actually only 2,800 down in Tesla. That's not bad.
Pick it up now.
You know, on those little three puts I bought, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta close them out tomorrow, though. Or I'm closing them out today. You know, the worst I could have lost is 6,200. That's not terrible, you know? We're coming into the 6.9 here. 3169 to that low. No, 6.2, 6.3. There's 6.2. So you're right at yesterday's pivot. Okay.
Yeah, 3160 looks like.
See right over here. We got
6.3 now.
yeah 3159.80 was the low. Okay.
Yep.
And then at hard bodies is about. So you got in that little sweet spot right there. 31. Below suit is
These are
3159. You're good.
Yeah. Qs are still solid here. Tesla is giving it up. You should be good, Daryl.
Yeah, I'm doing.
All out, Chris.
Feeling a lot better.
Your ALGM paid. Oh,
Yeah.
here we go. Amazon.
Definitely paying.
3160 next stop. Come on, boy. Negative on the tick. There we go. Keep it coming. This is why I like Amazon. Yeah, you guys can have that Zoom. You can Zoom.
Hey. But you were calling out when I was in it. You were calling out all kinds of other stuff. I got you on recording. So before you start loving on your Amazon again, you dissed her, man. She walked right by you and you said, "Nah."
I took my profit on that.
Well, I think you're a smart man.
Think you did good.
Would you make $12?
7.
That's still pretty nice, right?
Oh, but I was in and out. So no, I made 3 on the other time. Yeah, so yeah, 10.
So you made 10. Would you have 2 or 3?
No, I only have 1. That's why I got out.
Hey, one's better than none,
Oh yeah.
right?
Yeah,
How's your computer working?
not good this morning. I only have 2 screens up. I don't know what the other ones won't come up, so that's why I was just taking it easy here. But before today, it was fine. I don't know.
Interesting.
We'll see. Yeah.
Haven't had that issue yet. All right.
I'm gonna get out of half at 3160, Joe.
I'm just gonna let this thing fall.
That was 4 contracts. I got a 2 of them at $15.
Yeah, I got a few left here. I'm just gonna see
So
how
I got
far
2
this
left
thing.
here.
Split that
Yeah.
candle. I'm gonna do 3/4 candle, not that whole candle. You know,
Mm-hmm.
that's way too much to get back 50%.
Oh yeah.
You know, when you're talking the $18 profit, you're not giving 9 back. You're giving 4.
No.
You know, it's $22 right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it down to 1 contract.
Yeah, it's $22 profit zone. Even when you get in
Order
at the
fill.
you get at the 71. You know,
Mm-hmm.
that's a lot of money.
Yep. Tesla giving it up. You still out? You in that, or did you get
Oh
out?
no, I'm holding those puppies.
Good.
Those were. Well, I already got them. There's no sense in getting rid of them, right?
Yep.
I'm still
Where's
I'm
this thing
still
going?
$4.50 below though. But 4 on 3 is a lot better than 12 on 3. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Still got a little more in this Amazon, looks like.
But it's teetering right on the support. That 159 is probably going to touch into that back up and then come back down. You know, I think 59 would be my out.
You're out, yeah. Good
You know,
place
that
to
would just
sell.
be a good place to take all the money. Just remember, I do like Bo. Don't you guys think I got some issue with him? Okay. It's a good thing we're not neighbors, though. You know what I mean?
Yep.
You know, it's one of those love-hate relationships.
I know. I'm out. I'm gonna let you make all the money.
Oh, here we go again. Your antics. I mean, 59 is a good out, you know?
Yeah, I got out there at 56. I just
So
said
just
that's
let it go. If it hits the 59, then you get a little room to eat. It's hungry.
You said 59 because you're at 31.55 right now.
Yeah. So
Oh, you're good.
3159 is my stop.
Oh, I got you.
You know, my profit stop.
Yep, got you. So we got a green candle coming on the Q's and the tick here.
Yeah, it's short-lived.
The daily on that Amazon with that descending triangle, 30 sitting on 31.50 now. At some point in time, this thing's gonna turn around and rocket back up and hold it all the way through earnings. You know, it ain't gonna be long.
Yeah, I'm closing this out right now. We can always get back in. But it's going to be a squeeze probably to the downward move. This probably squeezes down in for more profit, you know? I'm
Yeah,
going to get out. It's not that 59 yet, but it's close enough. You know?
yeah. It has no tail on it, so that's not going to be a pivot here. It's going to make lower lows here.
Great trades.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Yeah, that was nice.
So, Randy made $12, $11. Bo made 10 plus, right?
I'm looking.
That was $18. That's $22 in that trade right there. Sick. I got $3.60 loss, and I got $22 win. That makes it a really nice ratio of win to loss.
Mm-hmm. Going back down, there it goes.
Mm-hmm. This could be your star up, you know? That's your blow off bar. Now you got a wick with a star, okay? See if this thing can formulate it. It may just be a
Yep.
failed pattern up, you know?
Yeah.
Alright,
3150 is a good number though.
yeah, I'm out of this thing. I'm done. It's just sad when you gotta chase your order down, you know? Doesn't take your limit order, it's just sad. That's the only good situation in those. Usually it's the other way around for me. I'm trying to get out of it. It's going the other way, you know?
Yep.
And I had one, it filled everything but one, and then I'm chasing it to get out. That wick scared me on the way back up. I'm like, ooh, you know? That wick there is
Felt the
$8.
same way.
That was an $8 wick up, you know? This is how crazy this stock is. So this is trying to create a morning star here on the 10, okay? Big support on the 59, 3159. We could launch upward, okay? I don't think this is the launch. It's going to come back down for a minute. This isn't the reversal because the Qs are not strong at all. And you got a doji and a star, but we need another one on the other side, you know?
10-4.
What's the 5 doing? Yeah, I mean, it's got a hammer. Breaks the 59, it could go all the way to the 65. Back up to this top of this candle. That doesn't look like it's gonna break, nope. So maybe it retests again down, you know. See how it's just not holding the hammer. Qs are reversing, but they're super weak. The tick's trying to bounce off of the 300, 391. I'm not taking this. It's there, but I'm not taking it. I feel we're going to come down and retest another. It's going to come down again before it takes back off. You know, like another retest. It's kind of iffy. So let's let it come back down a little more.
I agree.
It's usually the second pop that usually works better on these downward
Yep.
moves, you know?
Yep, we'll get the fat of it.
We're not going to try and scalp something that,
Catch a falling knife.
yeah. Dan, you get some of these puts, buddy? Can't be working out this early.
Maybe his money left the room.
It's already gone.
Yep.
Yeah, that was a good trade. Phew. Maybe I'll just relax for a minute, don't you think?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, buddy. It's like, whew. I want this reversal here, but I'm not going to take it yet. I don't know.
I think it retests again back down here
I do too.
because the
I just
Qs aren't turning green. See how it's just super small?
Yeah, I
And
don't want it.
there we
back.
go. It's coming back down. I just wasn't too excited about this turn. I think it's going to turn again down in this area. You know,
I thought
like
the same.
this doesn't formulate our system because the Qs aren't cooperating. You know,
Mm-hmm.
and your tick is barely above 0.
These cues are looking like they're going to drop hard still.
Yeah, I almost want to get some more puts here, but that would just be scalping.
Uh,
Be a scalp deal. You'd have to put your stop at 59. That'd be $7. You'd have to give it $5 on the spread. The spread's not real good right now.
mm-mm.
You know, I think it's just a really, really not good trade. I think we wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting. It's too risky.
Tesla needs to get down to 420 for me. That'd be nice. 420, that's kind of a cool number for him, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's his, you know.
I hear you.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go check on Amber, make sure she can get down the stairs.
What did they say on that yesterday?
You know, the guy's like, we'll see you in 2 weeks. They wouldn't even see her.
Okay.
You know,
Go on your trip, see how it does.
we're gonna just wrap it, put it in a.
He said iffy, maybe 50-50.
Yeah, it's like hairline. Maybe just keep it immobile and keep it tight. Keep a splint on it, you know?
Yeah. You show it to Tony?
Yeah, Tony's like, just cut the foot off. We're like, dang, I can't tell her that, you know?
I mean, let's just get rid of the problem, you know?
He's like, that's what he said. He's like, if you're just something about they got some new robotics, he can put a different leg on. I'm like, oh, no, I'm not going to tell her that, you know?
Chance to heal with cold blue steel.
$6 million woman.
That's it, man.
Actually, she's not been complaining at all. She's like, I feel tingling. I don't feel pain. But I tell you, the first 4 days, it wasn't nice around here. Like she was saying words in Italian I never heard before, you know?
Let's watch, see what this thing does here. This could be it here. Nope. Still plummeting. We should have took
it. Yeah, I wanted to get puts there. That was my first thought with the cues, you know?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
I just didn't think this was going to be the reversal that first time, you know?
No, here's your second time. See if this is it.
Well, it's bouncing off a pretty key support level on the 78. If you look back over here.
3142 or something.
Yeah, I mean, this is really like caviar right here because it did a lot of, but it's got another $20 to go. You see how it spent a lot of time here at the 3124, but it only went to the 3140.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not taking this up. This is not going to be me. I'm not going to try and, you know.
I'm trying to catch a bottom on
Well,
this.
look at all these closes, high-low closes, high-low closes, this consolidation back here in October.
Mhm.
That's a lot. People are down in here, you know?
Mhm.
I would have to really just reanalyze that. These are breaking through numbers I haven't seen in a while.
Tesla 428 here.
And Nvidia, just boom, gone. That thing just dropped through the 40.
Yeah.
That'd have been the trade.
But
You know, right through the 40 was support.
mm-hmm.
440, 540, 540. Yeah, it's hard to catch these right now because you're just guessing on the way down, you know.
Mm-hmm.
There's not a pattern to get in here. It's a long ways away from the average, so you're just taking a big chance. And it hasn't had a reversal, and the market hasn't reversed, and the tick is not reversed, so
We better be in puts.
yeah, you're on this side of the stack. So could it pull back into an average and roll back down? Yeah, sure. But the market's not saying anything about being reversal.
Mm-mm.
Just want to see if there's some news on Bob here. Just curious. Saudi Arabia signed something. Oh, that worked really good. Right, good for them. Thing drops $5.
Looks like we're going back down here. So slow here, it's like this would be painful sitting in this, even if you were input to the right direction.
Yeah, I tried 3 right here. See what happens.
Mm-hmm.
Just quick little scalp down here. But it's not a day trading room. It's 50-50, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Percentage of 50-50 because you're grabbing something that's already dropped $30.
Oh yeah, you're at the
So
bottom.
you're not, this could be the bottom, where is it gonna bounce into the 24 and come back up? I'm thinking maybe it hits the 24, you know?
Yep.
So I'm just playing the odds right now. But you just gotta define, am I
Your
willing
risk.
to give $1,200 to see if I can make 5,000, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's my stop is 360, so it could be 1,400
Mhm.
loss. I'm green though. Oh yeah, I'm green. There we go. Oh, I can't lose. Worst I can do is get out with 60 cents. Oh yes, let's come on. Break to the 40. Come on. That 40 is big. Yeah.
You know, I couldn't just watch you on that, right?
Yeah, well, you know, I'd like 24, but I don't know if it's going to get all the way there. Because 24 is big support, you know?
So it's a no-lose trade at this point.
Yeah, 3-1-24, I'd like that to be our target, because that's the target on the 78 for me. Right here, 3-1-24-12.
Yeah.
But if it does not, if I break up into 250 back, I'm out, you know? Just the cues, just there's no tails on them, they're going straight down, you know? The tiny wick on there, ain't much. I'm gonna take a little profit here.
That's what I did.
Just get it down to 1, you know?
Yeah. Could turn here really
And it's
fast.
gotta hold the 40 or we're screwed.
Mm-hmm.
That's why these bottom of the day ones, you're just trying to catch something that's a continuous candle, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But the 43 we were in, so that was pretty good, you know?
Yep.
You know, you get $3 or $4. I got 5 on the first one, got 160 on that one. That's not bad.
No, not bad at all.
You know, you make a 160 on your last one. It's not. I'll take $160.
Buy a nice meal just about any restaurant in America. As long as we still
Well,
have
now
restaurants.
they're closing everything down again here.
As long as we still have restaurants.
Yeah, the owner just, I can't tell you what he looked like. You know how you just know what's going on in their heads?
Mm-hmm.
And I can just tell that he's about ready just to become a day trader. You know?
Good move.
Poor guy's been renting and all the equipment he just bought and just expanded his restaurant. He's only been in business like 2 years. He
Yeah.
can't survive, you know?
Good timing.
You gotta sell a lot of pizzas and spaghetti, you know?
Yep. Nice hammer here, only 10 minute if it holds. You can see the next candle come up on
Yeah, I just don't see a reversal yet.
Looks nice so far, but we got to see another
I'd
candle.
like to
go
see a
through.
nice blow off on the Qs and the 50% back green on the next candle, and that'll show us a reversal. But right now we're at the 50 because this doesn't showing me a reversal yet. You know,
Recording this shit.
I haven't stopped.
Okay.
This is just Marco's going to be like, what?
Tesla's trying here too for Morningstar.
Yeah, this looks continuous down still. Just because these Qs aren't 50%, they're holding 50% downward.
Yep.
And even with your little quick pop up on your tick, it's holding the downward channel. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm not excited about this.
Yeah. We see this roll over, we'll be in our puts again.
Yeah, we just keep riding it all the way down to the 24.
Mm-hmm.
But protecting our close, protecting our profit, and protecting our stop. Always.
Yep.
And just like up them out. Easy to make up $3-4 in Amazon. It's when you sit in it, it's 10-15 against you, and then you get in the next trade, you're like, oh, I made 7, so I'm gonna wait. That kills you, you know?
How do we know that?
Yeah, so why just not get out?
Mm-hmm.
Start getting out when it's 360 and you get out at $4 or $5, you still can make that up quick. Look at these trades.
Yep. All right, so what are we doing
So is
next?
this reversing upward? Is the Q's going to turn green here? All right, do we have a reversal? Mm-mm. Not strong at all. Did you see the Q's? So they just don't
No.
turn. They're
No,
turning
no.
green.
I'm not looking at it yet. No.
Mm-mm.
Q's gonna keep coming down here.
Yeah,
We're not there yet.
this is not. This is not an ADX move.
Mhm.
Let's see the ADX. Let's just see. What would this ADX? ADX is at 22. So let's see. Let's go down to 15. Let's just see what this ADX is all about. Since I was an expert at this ADX. Okay, we don't have no hourglass yet. It needs to come down. I don't know, Chris. It says 16. Chris is gone. Chris already made his money. He's on the boat.
Yep.
You see how this gets really close here and here?
Mm-hmm.
And you see how this reversed back up yesterday? You see how close? This is called the hourglass move for the ADX. But do you see how we
Not
haven't
there
got
yet.
that? You see how we haven't got that yet?
Yeah, still going down.
Yeah, we still haven't got the divergence into the 2 yet. So I'm just saying if you use these, we're not close enough yet. ADX is super. Needs to pop.
Come back on here, Joe. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Spread is tight.
Yeah, it's just not ready yet, you know?
You back in this, right?
No.
You know I am.
Yeah, just for some reason,
I got back in.
just protect your guys, protect your profit, okay?
I'm back in it too.
You guys had a killer day today. Telling you, James, my Tesla puts are gonna make me money. I'm $3 away.
Still going down.
Yeah,
There you
I'm
go, guys.
actually gonna make some money in this trade. I'm only $900 down. That's not bad. From 6. You guys got to be green in this.
Green, green, green. Yep, nice trade.
I mean, it could easily hit the 124. No, that's the next stop. If it doesn't, just protect 50% of your profit. You know.
I just flinched. I'm out.
Yeah, I flinched him out. Let Randy have this one.
Is that a new term? Flinched.
Yep.
I like it.
James and I
That's a
started.
good curriculum word.
Sometimes I just hit it and not realize I'm out because I just don't want it to go back up, my first candle.
I really think it's important just to take profit right now and be green all the time. You know.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just always take stuff, take money. Then you can learn how to getting all of it. You're never going to get all of it. But what you don't want to do is give back. If you're up 4, don't get back 2. You're up 6, don't get back 3. You're up 20,
Yeah.
don't get back 9, get back 4. You know.
Hey, on Amazon, that can happen in the blink of an eye.
But like you said, you'd much rather be in puts though, wouldn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Remember we were talking about that last night? Puts
Yep.
really, when it falls hard.
Sure does.
And it falls a lot farther, falls about 10 times faster down than it goes up, doesn't it?
Goes up. Yep.
So now you know why I love puts.
Oh, yeah.
Puts is, if I could put puts on my car license plate, I would.
AMZNPUTS.
You know?
Yeah.
GT3 puts.
We got to have a spot to go back and retrace a little bit, though. That's got to be coming up soon.
Oh, for sure. For sure we're going to do a moving average pullback, okay? But it's
Could
just
be.
the last 2 times it's kind of failed. You know what I mean?
Yep.
And we're
Yep.
not getting any power from the only thing that's reversing is the tick. And a couple times with the Qs aren't helping us, so that doesn't give us the system.
What's your ADX looking like now, Daryl?
Let's take a look.
Should be getting close.
So we got an hourglass coming in.
Still not there.
Still not there. Let's go down to the 10-minute. We're getting there, though.
Mm-hmm.
Be nice if it was down here. It needs to really drop.
Q still can't do more than 50%.
I'd like
here.
to see this ADX about 40, you know? 40 or
Mhm.
50 would be a lot nicer. This would give it into the divergence of this pattern of MACD and an ADX together. But I don't trade this because all I do is use a candle with a wick and reversal. What this does, this brings it together. It's the same thing, you know? Same exact thing. But I studied this for 5 years. I thought it was like, yeah, we gotta get it. I put it on. This is just basically a squeeze with the divergence. You see the distance between these two, so we don't have reversal yet.
Are you saying low is right with a squeeze?
Hey,
Tony, you starting something,
that's a,
Yeah, I've been divorced twice.
Hey, Daryl.
what are you thinking?
The ADX Bob's ADX did fire.
Did it?
Because remember, he uses the 1 minute.
Oh. Good point. Good point.
Can you say premature?
Oh, it did fire. Look, it got up to 50. Man, where would you have got that though?
Then why did it work for us taking it down and being in
Oh,
puts?
this would have been hard right there. That's $4. I don't know. That would have been hard to get in.
Well, that's the way you're on the 1 minute. So go back. It's about there, right?
Yeah, but it's a $4 move. Me and you would have got hosed. Or here it is. It's reversing a little bit here. So we got a hammer. Do you guys want to take along? Who
Yeah,
wants-
I'm in with you.
Really?
Not ready yet.
Yeah.
I think it's going back down here, James. Watch.
Yeah, be careful, okay?
I'm not in yet. I'm just getting myself ready.
I was like, damn, you're quick. I want to kind of wait a little bit because the cues are starting to show a hammer. But the tick is so weak right now. I don't think we do this, guys.
Okay.
I don't think we do this. This is not for us.
Got another drop. Just got another drop before we pick it up.
I think we try to let this simmer down another hour or so, come back at about 1 o'clock pop, you know?
I think it's gonna chop sideways.
Yeah, I don't see this reversing anytime soon.
Okay.
That makes sense. Not a lot of volume.
Yeah, and let's just kind of take what we got and not overtrade. All right.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. I'd like to leave while I'm up for sure.
All right. Let's. If you guys see something, text me. I'll come back in the room.
Sounds good. Thanks, guys.
All right.
Right,
Ciao.
yes, bye.